Morning, welcome back to our first video documented exploration here. Tracy and I are off walking the, what is this trail called?
King's Trail.
The King's Trail at Hillsborough River State Park. Unfortunately, it is like a man-made trail, but maybe we'll find some cool stuff off trail to go look at. If we encounter any wildlife, we'll definitely film it and show you guys. It's so peaceful out here. A lot of fresh growed pine trees after the last controlled burn, so that's really cool. We'll check back if we find some wildlife.
Not coming out as much. No.
We're trying to figure out what a local plant is here. We think it might be milkweed, but we're not sure.
It's not. So
It's
usually
not.
if you went like this, you get a white substance that comes out, but this is not it. So this is just part of a thistle that hasn't grown very much yet.
Gotcha. These thistles with the thorns here all over Florida kind of look like cotton in some respects, but definitely don't touch it because you're going to get stabbed. Oh, hang on. The last trail we went on didn't pan out too much. There was a lot of direct sun and just kind of mapped roads already. So we went to a different spot. Now we're right here along the river. Obviously you can see a lot of boardwalks and stuff up there, so we're kind of on the other side in a much ruggeder type trail, walking over a giant tree. Giant tree.
Oh, we got it.
What?
Lizard just caught an ant.
Oh? Wildlife being wild. Lizards catching stuff. There are so many fish in this river. I really wish I'd have brought a pole. We've seen a couple turtles sunbathing. You see right there, that's a whole school of fish just chilling. We're gonna keep walking up this trail and see where it leads. We'll check back later. Definitely gone very far off trail here. Unfortunately, we can still hear people, but this is a trail definitely not traveled very often. Trying to just continue to hike along the river here. I think our trail is running out. Might have to make one. Too bad I don't have a machete. I am sweating profusely out here, for sure. It is very hot in the Florida summertime. Oh yeah. Just making our own trail now. Be back. Okay, so I just stopped. There is an alligator right down there. You guys can see him. I'd love to get closer, but I don't think I want to try to tempt fate with the alligator. Oh, there he is. He's probably a good 5 feet stretched out. That is awesome. That's like my first close-up gator encounter that wasn't on a golf course.
Nice rapids.
I made it back to civilization. There's a suspension bridge over there. The rapids are the coolest thing. I love checking out all the fish hanging out in them. And that sound is incredibly relaxing.
Yeah.
Alright, let's continue. Which direction? We'll go.
I feel like we got back much faster than we
Probably. We'll go this way. Watch out for these. We're pretty sure they're cypress knobs. Oh yeah, you got the high ground this time? You know, the person that's on the low ground usually ends up dying. We're on the scary, shaky edge here. It's always fun to feel like you're gonna die. It's definitely a great view, though. I think we're heading back to the car now. Another, I don't know, a mile or so. All right, well, we're back to the populated area of the park now. Hitting the restroom one more time and then heading back to the car. It's a pretty great day out here at Hillsborough River State Park. I'll keep filming some of my explorations on some of these great parks we have here in Florida. You know, sweating our butts off here. But stay tuned for more. As always, you know, like and subscribe. If you want to see stuff, comment. Let me know if you like it or not. And we'll catch you later.